Hi, I'm Aly Dosdall for We Are Memory Keepers, and I'm going to share a couple tips with you for using the hole reinforcer punch. This punch is perfect for creating hole reinforcers for your planners, for your binders, and even for homemade tags. It's a little tricky though to get adhesive on such a small piece of paper, so try punching your hole reinforcers using a self-adhesive cardstock like this mono adhesive cardstock from Basil Basics. You can also create your own using the adhesive sheets from the Evolution Advanced by We Are Memory Keepers. So all you need to do once you've done that is just peel the backing off and stick it right onto your hole on your page. So easy. Also, don't forget to clean out the centers of your holes occasionally so it doesn't get plugged up, and save those for some confetti for another project later on. Thanks for joining me. I'm Aly Dosdall for We Are Memory Keepers.